Hello, I'm joined by Will from CareCo, and today we're looking at the QS4, and this is one of those great machines that does so much and it makes life really, really easy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's exactly what it's all about, the QS4, making life easier for the user. Like you mentioned, it's an electric folding scooter, so it joins our growing range of products within that category. Beauty of it is you can simply click a button and you are able to fold or unfold the scooter within 7 seconds. There's 3 ways of doing it. Like I said, the most common way that people would do it is using the remote control, but you can do it from the rear of the machine, and we've also got the manual fold that's below the seating section. With every single purchase, we give the free storage case. It's really well padded. You've got access from the top to be able to wheel or maneuver the scooter. Obviously, the scooter is designed to be folded, stored away, or taken away. So we feel it's imperative to give this to our customers to make sure that they can ultimately keep their product secure.
So not only is it really convenient, really easy to use, it's also packed with features. So let's have a look at that, starting here at the front.
Yeah, start of the till ahead. So nice and easy to use control. So we've got arthritis-friendly grips on both sides. Nice and simple to control the forward and the reverse on the machine. We've got the battery gauge there, E being empty, F being full for your battery charge. On the scooter, you've got a 9.3 mile range on a full charge. It's a 4 mile an hour machine, so you've got the easy to use swivel control to increase or decrease your speed. You've got the horn, and also you've got a charging port that's nice and easy to access. You've got the height adjustment on the tiller lever, which is great, so you can find that perfect height for you. And also, actually going down the tiller head itself, there's quite a lot of leg room there on the left-hand side and the right-hand side.
And we've got a seat here, which is, again, looks really comfortable and sturdy, which is quite unusual for a travel scooter to have something as substantial as that.
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. It's a balancing act between, obviously, we want to keep the weight as low as possible. So the total weight of the product is 28 kilograms, but we also want to provide as much comfort as possible. So we've got a lot of padding, a lot of support in the product, so that's going to make for a more comfortable ride.
And even for a larger user as well.
Yeah, we take up to 21 stone on the QS4. You've got the slightly bigger seat, and also you've got the extended leg room as well. So we're trying to cater for as many different users as we can.
Again, a massive feature is the fact that it will go so far, over 9 miles, and it'll go on pretty rough terrain, looking at how the wheels are looking quite substantial and some good clearance there.
Yeah, so you've got 7-inch tyres on the front and the rear. They're also solid tyres as well, Alistair. So again, it basically means that you're not going to have to be worrying about any punctures as you go out. We've also got the 2-inch ground clearance, which is pretty rare for an electric folding scooter to have such strong ground clearance. Again, it's all about comfort. It's all about making sure that a customer feels that they can go out and feel secure using the product.
And actually, despite how substantial it is, it's still quite light, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 28 kilograms. We've obviously got the lithium battery pack. It's lithium powered, so that's bringing the weight down. And it's, like I said, it's that balancing act between trying to make the product as lightweight as possible, but making sure that you've got the quality of components that you want and the comfort on the seatings. There has to be a balancing act, and when we feel like we've got a really nice compromise here.
Well, it's a great scooter, and I know it's going to be really, really popular. Thank you very much indeed, Will.
No problem.
That's the QS4 electric folding scooter. You can find out more details and more specifications at careco.co.uk. You can always pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.